Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase items on eBay using credit card. To buy on eBay with a credit card, open up the eBay application on your device first and log in. From the main homepage, go ahead and select the item you want to buy, and once you choose the item, go to the checkout page. In the checkout page, right where you see Pay With, click on See All Options and then choose Add New Card button. Toggle on the button right next to Remember this card for future orders if you want to use the credit or debit card option for future purchases. After you do that, you can then go ahead and choose your billing address, and on the next page, enter your credit card details. After entering the credit card details, you can then tap on Confirm and Pay and follow through the payment process. Your purchase will then be processed securely by eBay's payment system, and that is how you can easily purchase on eBay using credit card. Simple, fast, and safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.